everyone, welcome back to this week's video. So today I'm going to talk about the things you need to do in order to run a successful hair business. So the very first thing you need to look into is manpower. Do not try to do every work by yourself. As the CEO, you have got to create a team. Hire some people to help you do some work. Now, in the beginning, you may not have a lot of money, but you could use some of the people around you, maybe your relatives, maybe your partner. Give out tasks, and you may not employ people full-time or part-time. You may have seasonal workers where you go to websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork and you hire people who can do for you some of the work. For example, if you have to be building a website, you may know how to do it, but you don't have the time. You have to plan for your whole other business. So you can give out some work to people like the seasonal workers you can hire off Fiverr. They create for you a website, and delegate tasks. Give people tasks to do and then you pay them, or maybe you can talk to relatives and they can do out of goodwill. Look into delegating work. It will be so easy for you to run your business, and the business will run smoothly when work is divided and everybody is able to bring 100%. But if you have to do the work all by yourself, you're going to be dividing every role and you will not give 100% to everything. For example, if you have to be looking into marketing or posting content on your social media websites, it's a lot of work to be posting every single day. So you could hire a digital marketer or somebody seasonal to come in or to post for you every once in a while or daily, and also to respond to comments. So look into that. But overall, create a team and have people do some work for you. That way your business will run smoothly. The second thing is make sure you create a consistent online presence. Be consistent online on all your platforms. Post. Now, is it an easy job? No. Coming up with ideas is also a different thing altogether. But when you're in a situation where you cannot create ideas, maybe it's time that you hire somebody to help you come up with ideas and also to post on your platforms. Make sure your platforms are active. You have to be on TikTok. You have to be on Pinterest, Twitter, of course, YouTube and Instagram. You want to make sure that on every popular platform, your business has an account there. Okay? That way your business will be known and it will continue running and running successfully that way. When people get to know you, they come in, check your products, and eventually become customers. The other thing that you need to do in order to run a successful business is create funnels or create systems that can help you to run your business even when you're not there. For example, you want to be able to create a system whereby content is able to be uploaded on a schedule basis. You don't have to be there to post every video or to upload every video. You could get an app where you schedule your content, and at a particular time or a particular day, content is uploaded automatically. Create system will help take away some of the workload. Okay. And when it comes to creating systems when you're making sales or making advertisements, you want to create a system whereby when somebody clicks on your link, it takes them directly to your website. And to the website, when they get there, it takes them to the product and it tells them to either buy or to subscribe or to sign up to a newsletter, and you don't have to be there. Something just works in the background automatically for you. That way your business is able to run successfully and you're able to attend to customer needs without actually you being there. The other thing is, right now we are all talking about AI, artificial intelligence. Make use of it. It makes life a bit easy. So use it for your business. Use it. It can help you create ideas, change titles, give you stock images. It does everything. So make use of AI to be able to run your business successfully. The other thing is For your business to run smoothly, to run well, to run successfully, you need to have known your audience. So, know your audience. If you know your audience, it will help you to create content that is for that particular audience. If, for example, you're selling hair, you're selling straight hair, or you're selling wigs, let's say wigs for corporate people, corporate ladies, you want to be able to create content that is going to be in that age group. Make sure your content will be solving their problem. You need to find out their pain point. Why are they wearing wigs? What is it that's causing them to get to a point where somebody needs a wig? Are they sick? Are they trying to grow their hair? Do they want to leave their natural hair out? Do they want to change hairstyles? You need to know what exactly is going on with that age group that you're serving, and that way you will be able to create content that resonates to them, and then they will be able to watch your videos. They will come and check your hair and they will buy it. So know your audience. That way your business will run smoothly. You will not need to market to everybody. No need to market to everybody. Just have a particular group of people you're dealing with. The 7th point that will help your business to run smoothly is to find good vendors. Now, when it comes to vendors, it has never been an easy thing. There are so many people who claim to be selling vendor lists. You need to do your research and see that you're getting vendors who will be good and who will supply you good hair. Number 1, who will supply your products on time. Number 2, so look for vendors, do your research, take your time and do research. Don't just make one phone call or one email and think that that's enough. And when it comes to vendors, have more than one. There's always disappointments in one. Somebody may just stop working. Somebody will send you products that are poor quality. Prices may be high. So you always have to have more than one vendor. Once you have a vendor who will supply your hair on time, that's good quality, that when you send it out to your customers, they are happy with it, they will definitely be able to give referrals or make referrals, and people will come and buy from you. So your business will be running. The other thing, for your business to run smoothly, you have to have a marketing strategy. Have a solid marketing plan and make sure you're using your social media platforms to showcase your hair, to create content that's talking about your hair. Now, in the fashion, makeup, beauty business, you have to be showing videos. You have to be making videos. It can't be just text. Text is okay, but you need to be doing videos. You need to be showing people, how do you take care of this hair? How do you take care of this wig? How do you wash it? How do you maintain it? Those kind of things. So use your social media platforms to showcase your hair, to talk about your hair, to talk about your business. And it's very important for you to be able to create that content for your market. You need to know their pain points. And once you know that, you will offer a solution. Okay? So know what people are looking for, and there's so many marketing channels. If you have to use Instagram, use it, but make sure you are on every channel that is current. YouTube, you have to be there. You have to be using your YouTube to advertise your products. The other way is to use Google Ads, or use email marketing. All those channels will help your business to run, because some of these things can be automated. Emails are automated. YouTube videos, once you create or once you make some content, it can be scheduled, and when time comes, it gets uploaded. So make sure you have a solid marketing plan that will be able to deal with the problem of the people, or will be able to pull people to come and check you out. Once they come and they find good products, they will come back again. They will tell their friends, their relatives, and all that. So your business will continue running. The other thing is make sure you're not advertising just online, because an online community is not the only area where you'll find customers, even offline. So make use of your offline platform where you can make flyers and take them to different places, to the mall, to people's offices. Go to your local city offices and check out their business events. Check out what events are coming up. Get involved or join those groups, join those events, and showcase your business. Leave flyers. Talk about your hair. Make showcase your businesses or showcase your hair on different events. So people can. In those events, you can find people who may buy hair on that day. So make use of your offline market, and your business will continue to run. So if you follow through all these things, they require a bit of time. They require a lot of work and consistency and perseverance too. So make sure you look through all of them and see and check your business, what you're doing and what you're not, or where you need extra help. And for all this to happen, you can't do it alone. You have got to have a team. If you do it alone, you will lose focus and you will not give every channel or every strategy 100%, and yet you need to do that. So as a CEO planning for your business, you need to be able to delegate work to other people so your business can continue to run even when you're not there. So this is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you all in my next video. Cheers. And I could do